Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of the whole glitter zone. That's what I'm calling it. I'm calling it glitter zone because pretty much I was inspired by this glitter that I got from eBay, ucanbe glitter. I did a review on it, so don't forget to check that out. So I was inspired by this glitter, so I decided to dedicate 5 days of 5 different glitter makeup look, all glitters. Like I said in the previous video, I'm not really a fan of glitter, but this glitter really inspired me. So today I came up with this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it because I really like this look. I think it's bold, it's different, and it's blue and glitter. The two things that I'm not really a fan of. Blue and glitter, but it really came out nice. I really love it. I hope you guys love it as well. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, So yeah, stay tuned and keep on watching and let me know what you think. Do you like it? And what would you like to see next? Remember, 5 days. This is number 2. I still have 3 more to go. So give me some ideas on what you think you want to see next. Thank you guys so much. Bye. I am back for day 2 of this glitter inspired 5 days. What am I gonna call it? Like glitter zone. Girl, you are smart. Yes, so we are doing this glitter zone marathon. I'm gonna be doing 5 days of glitter inspired by these glitter. I did a review on them, so make sure you check them out. And actually I bought 5 days of glitter, 5 inspired glitter look. Yo, I am so smart. And today I'm gonna be using this Morphe palette. It's the 35B palette, and it is so gorgeous. Like, I love this palette. It is one of my favorite palette. It is so gorgeous. I love this palette. So I'm gonna start by using my first transition color, which would be this yellow color as my first transition color, and I'm going to be using this blending brush. I got all my brushes from eBay, so I'm going to put this right here, and as always I'm going to start at the end and blend all windshield swiping motion. Now after that I'm going to go in with my second transition color, and I'm going to be using blue color right here, different blending brush, and I'm just going to place that a little beneath where that yellow transition color at, and I'm going to start at the edge as always, or at the end as always, and blend all the way in the windshield swiping motion. So now I'm going to go back with my first transition color and kind of blend out the edges, just to give it that gradient effect and no harsh lines. And now for my third freeze color. So for my third color, be using this really dark blue navy color right there, and I'm going to place this exactly where my crease is at, right at the end or the edge, the same way as I did my transition color. And as I start right here, and I'm using a flat blending brush or packing brush, and I'm just gonna go in a swiping motion the same way I did my transition color, but this time I'm gonna be creating like a circle, like a rainbow circle. Let's get it. So after that I'm gonna go in with my second transition color, and I'm gonna blend because we don't want no harsh line or crease. So after that I'm going to be cutting my crease with this Black Radiance concealer, and I'm going to be taking the lighter color. So you see how like I'm dabbing until I get where I really want to get. So after after I cut my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this glitter, and notice I left a space. There's a reason for that. So we are gonna go ahead and dab this glitter, which I love. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. So for the rest of the eye, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this white eyeliner that I got from eBay. It's called Music Flower. I got it from eBay, so I'm gonna go ahead and gently, easily, steadily apply this white liner from over there all the way to the end, like an umbrella or a rainbow or a circle, or I don't know, whatever word you want to use, as long as you just get the circle. We made it. We made it. We made it. Never could have made it without you. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Black Radiance waterproof liquid eyeliner. It's black. So I'm gonna go in with that blue color, and I'm gonna put this like right under my eyes. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Milani Fantastic Bake Bronzer, the highlighter. And I'm gonna go ahead and set my face first, and I'm using this Clang Color matte setting spray. So while my face dry, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick, and I'm using this Nicka K True Matte Lipstick, and this is in Milano Red. I'm gonna use this Milani Fantastic Baked Bronzer. It's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. So I'm just gonna swatch that. I'm gonna use my fan brush, and let's go in.